In next 3 minutes you are going to learn why women can excel in engineering and 21 areas in engineering women can excel. First, we will see why women can excel in engineering. Some of them are as follows. Diverse perspectives. Women bring diverse perspectives and experiences to engineering projects, leading to innovative solutions and designs that consider a wider range of user needs and societal impacts. Problem-solving skills. Women possess strong analytical and problem-solving skills, which are essential in engineering to tackle complex challenges and develop effective solutions. Collaboration. Women are often skilled collaborators and communicators, which are crucial in multidisciplinary engineering teams where effective communication and teamwork are necessary for success. Creativity. Women have creativity and imagination that can lead to innovative approaches in engineering design and problem-solving, contributing to the development of new technologies and solutions. Attention to detail. Women are often detail-oriented, which is important in engineering to ensure accuracy and precision in design, analysis, and implementation. Persistence and resilience. Women in engineering demonstrate resilience and perseverance in the face of challenges and obstacles, which are common in the engineering field, leading to successful project completion and career advancement. Interest and passion. Many women have a genuine interest and passion for STEM fields, including engineering, driving their motivation to excel in their studies and careers in engineering. Support networks. Women in engineering benefit from supportive networks, mentorship programs, and initiatives aimed at increasing diversity and inclusion in the field, providing them with opportunities for growth and advancement. Overall, women have the skills, abilities, and passion to excel in engineering, contributing to the advancement of the field and the development of innovative solutions to global challenges. Women can excel in various areas of engineering just as much as men can. Here are 21 areas of engineering where women can make significant contributions. 1. Biomedical Engineering. Developing medical devices, prosthetics, and healthcare technologies. 2. Environmental Engineering. Addressing environmental challenges like pollution control and sustainable resource management. 3. Chemical Engineering. Working with chemical processes in industries like pharmaceuticals and materials manufacturing. 4. Civil Engineering. Designing infrastructure such as bridges, roads, and buildings. 5. Mechanical Engineering. Designing and manufacturing machinery, engines, and mechanical systems. 6. Electrical Engineering. Working with electrical systems, power generation, and electronics. 7. Computer Engineering. Developing computer hardware and software systems. 8. Aerospace Engineering. Designing aircraft, spacecraft, and related systems. 9. Robotics Engineering. Designing and building robots for various applications. 10. Materials Engineering. Studying and developing new materials for various industries. 11. Industrial Engineering. Optimizing processes and systems for efficiency in manufacturing and production. 12. Nuclear Engineering. Working with nuclear energy and radiation technologies. 13. Petroleum Engineering. Extracting and refining petroleum resources. 14. Systems Engineering. Integrating complex systems and ensuring their functionality. 15. Renewable Energy Engineering. Developing technologies for solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources. 16. Structural Engineering. Designing and analyzing structures for stability and safety. 17. Telecommunications Engineering. Designing and maintaining communication networks and systems. 18. Marine Engineering. Designing ships, offshore structures, and marine equipment. 19. Geotechnical Engineering. Studying soil and rock mechanics for construction projects. 20. Software Engineering. Developing software applications and systems for various purposes. 21. Water Resources Engineering. Managing water resources, including dams, irrigation systems, and flood control. These are just a few examples of the diverse areas of engineering where women can excel and make significant contributions to the field.